Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel, Roland Explorer. Don't forget to like and subscribe and also click the bell button below for you to become updated anytime. Today, I'm going to show you the property for sale. As you can see, I am driving also my motorbike here at the airport road. And now, I am approaching to the property for sale. And also, I am passing here the supermarket situated here in Panglao. This is the Alturas Supermarket and also the hardware, the fixed Rite is located here at the Alturas company. So the property is a walking distance from here. So that's a nice location. So location wise, this property is very near to the major establishment like this one, the supermarket, the hardware, the hotel, the restaurant, and also going to the White Sand Beach. It's only like 5 minutes drive going to the White Sand Beach. So now, as you can see, I am driving my motorbike going to the property. Now, I have already reached the site. This is the brand new house. I am going to show you this property. So again, this is the property, guys. As you can see guys, this is the front yard. You have the multi-purpose lawn and you have the landscape garden. So look at that. This is your front view. And now you have also the garage. This parking carport can accommodate 2 cars or more. And as you can see, the property is gated and also fully fenced. And you have the landscape front yard. And also this is the another gate for individual. And as you can see guys, this property is a brand new. It's a newly built, finished construction. Now I'm going to enter the inside of this house. As you can see, this is the front door, this is the main door. Now look at that. You have the spacious living. So this is the living area. You have the television. Look at that. So by the way, this property for sale, brand new house, you have the two option. So you can choose the option 1, the fully furnished, or you can choose the option 2, the fully finished. So meaning fully furnished, all things inside is included. So the seller will provide like the dining area, like the sofa in the living area. So the seller can provide for the complete interior design. So this is the kitchen area. You have the lower cabinet, you have the upper cabinet, you have the fridge, and also you have the oven. So once you move in, it's ready and complete, ready to occupy. Look at that. So about the complete details of this property, you can find at the description below of this video. So you can find the complete details. So this is also nice design kitchen. Look at that. You have the bar table, you have the counter. This is situated here inside the house. Look at that. Oh, you have the lower cabinet. A nice setup. You have the spacious sit-up kitchen. You have also the big fridge. Look at that. And also, I'm going to show you, this is the master bedroom. As you can see, it's already installed, the AC. Look at that. And here, the curtains already installed, and this is the sliding door going outside. Now, that is the view from your master bedroom. Look at that. So spacious master bedroom, and you have also the private own toilet and bath. You have the sink, the lower cabinet. Look at that. You have also the touchscreen mirror. Wow, it's nice. It's always changing the light color if you touch the screen. Look at that. You have also the partition mirror for your shower. You have also the hot and cold. This is also a spacious toilet and bath. So this is the master bedroom. And now I'm going back here at the living area and also your dining area. And also this is the powder room. Look at that. The powder room also have a sink, the touching mirror. Now, so this is inside the house, and also this is the guest room. So look at this guest room also has already installed the AC, the air condition, the curtains, and also this guest room also is have a private toilet and bath. You have also the lower cabinet, the sink, the touching mirror with background, any color of lights, and also there is also the partition mirror of the shower, the hot and cold, the bidet. Look at that. So this is nice. You have the private toilet and bath for the guest room. Now, going back here, look at that. The size is spacious. So from here, you can see the kitchen, the living area. There is a master bedroom. And here, the main door, the living. The other side is a kitchen. You have the counter table. You have a bar table. And also the living and the kitchen have also already installed the AC, the powder room. And this one is another door going to the back area. So it's also a sliding door. Now I'm going to show you also the other side at the back. This is the back side. So here is a laundry area and also washing area, and also this one is a water pressure. So look at that. Here also, by the way, there is a underwater tank and also the septic tank here. So this is the other side going to the main gate. So the property is fully fenced. Look at that. So this is the laundry area, and also I'm going to show you the other room. So this is for the maids quarter or servant quarter. So this is the room for the servant quarter. Look at that. And also the servant quarter have also the own toilet and bath. Look at that. Have also the shower, the toilet, the sink, the lower cabinet, and also the mirror. So this area is a servant quarter for the maids room or like that. Now, as you can see, it's also a spacious. Now going back outside, I'm going to show you the other side. So this door is going to the powder room for the toilet and bath for your guests. So this is a toilet and bath for the guest. And also this side is going to the swimming pool area. Look at that, you have the swimming pool, and also you have the outside shower for the guests. So this is the shower for the guests for the swimming pool. Oh, this is nice property. And also I'm going to show you the indoor and outdoor kitchen. So this is indoor and outdoor kitchen is already ready set up. You have the burner, the sink, the fridge, you have the television, you have the counter. So this is the indoor and outdoor bar kitchen. So it's nice if you have a party, you have the visitors, so you can accommodate here. At the same time, they can enjoy also swimming there at the swimming pool. So spacious also. If you have a party, you can use this venue. And this side is a water pump for the swimming pool. Look at that. As you can see, guys, the property is nice. This is a brand new property and ready to occupy. This property is up for sale. So if you are looking the property ready to occupy, by the way, this is the garage. It's gated and also it's poly fence, and this is spacious also. You have the multi-purpose lawn, you have the landscape garden. This is the front yard. Look at that. This is a good property because location wise is very accessible. Look at that. So this property is ready to occupy if you are looking ready for occupancy. This is a brand new property for sale situated here in Panglao Island of Bohol. So this is a nice property. Now I'm going to show you the aerial view. Keep watching, guys. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you and have a nice day.